Let's see how to create a simple SMS marketing chatbot to send any sort of text message marketing campaign to your customers. So here, first of all, you have to actually connect your phone number right here under the channels. So if you go to settings over here, so here in settings, go to channels, choose SMS, and here you will have to connect your Twilio phone number right here. So if you have no idea about this particular integration, you can click on learn more to find all the details on how to connect your phone number from Twilio. Simple as that. And once you have actually connected your phone number right here, you can create a text message marketing campaigns that can be sent to your customers on a daily basis or a monthly basis, or the time you want to send them, or you can set your own time frame for the text message marketing as well. So here, let's see how to create a text message marketing campaign. So here, first of all, go to the flows section over here, and you have to create the messages or the campaigns you want to send to them. So here, first click on add over here. So let's imagine you are a travel company and you want to send these SMS marketing campaigns on a daily basis, or you can even send on a monthly basis as well. So here I have generated some example messages right here. So here, this is the first message I have created right here. So here in flows, you have to create a flow name. So let me simply name this one as SMS1 and click continue. So here we want to send them an SMS. So here, choose the channel as SMS. As you see, message type is SMS, and you want to add a text over here and whatever the message you want to send to them. So let me simply choose this message right here. So this will be sent to them as SMS, and click publish over here. Alright, so that's the first message. And let me go back to the flows section over here and create another message for the second SMS. So here in the flows section, I can simply duplicate the existing one. Click on duplicate. Alright, it has just duplicated right here. So let me rename this one and SMS2. Alright, it has been renamed as well. Click on it, and you have to simply change the message content right here. Simple as that. And click publish. Alright, so likewise you can duplicate this thing as well. Click on duplicate. It has been duplicated. So let me go to the flow section over here, and let me copy the SMS, the third SMS as well. Alright, in the third SMS I have to rename this one as SMS3 over here. Alright, click continue. Open the flow over here, and we want to simply change the message content right here. Simple as that. So likewise you can actually create the same flows for the other SMS messages as well. So let's keep just 3 SMS campaigns or SMS series of messages for now. So here we have these 3: SMS1, SMS2 and SMS3. Simple as that. So now we want to create a campaign. For that, you have to go to auto marketing tool right here. Alright, so in auto marketing you have the option to create drip campaigns. Send a series of messages to your contacts over time to build engagement and guide them through the sales funnel. So click on it, and here we want to create a new drip campaign connecting all these 3 SMS messages we just created right here. So in the drip campaign, let me create let me simply say travel company demo. So let me name this particular drip campaign as travel company demo and click continue. So here you can set the time frame for the messages to be sent. For example, let's choose SMS, and here you have to choose SMS1. Let's choose as immediately, and let me delete this one as well. So this will be sent immediately as soon as they subscribed. And for the SMS, other SMS campaigns or messages, you can add any sort of delays. So you can wait for a few days or minutes or even hours as well. So let's for this example, let me choose 1 minute so I can show the other SMS we are getting right there. But you can actually add your own time delays as well. So again, let me choose 1 minute. So that means after SMS2 in 1 minute this will be sent likewise, and click save. Alright, it has been saved right here. So here, travel company demo, this is the drip campaign I have just created right there. So now we have created this particular a drip campaign right here. So now you might be wondering how to subscribe your contacts to this particular drip campaign. So there are two ways. You can actually upload your contact list in a CSV format right here. So if you go to the contacts over here, and here you have the option to import contacts. So if you choose this one, you will be prompted to select a CSV file, and from there you can actually import your contacts right here and subscribe them to this particular drip campaign we have just created. So let me show that, and after that I will also show how to collect a customer phone number within a flow builder just through a chatbot automation. For example, you can collect a particular customer's phone number through Instagram and subscribe them to this particular drip campaign as well. So let me show both ways right here. So first of all, let me show how to import a particular contact list right here and subscribe. Here this is a contact list right here with the first name, last name, email address and phone number. So these are the contacts we have right here. So let me first create a CSV list over here. So download, choose as comma separated values CSV, and let me download this list right here, save it. Alright, so this is the list I just downloaded. So you have to simply go to the contact section over here. So let me go to the contacts over here. So let me open this in a new tab, and here choose import contacts. Alright, and select the file. So this is the file and click open. Alright, so here you can choose the country code. So let's choose as +1. over here let me add +1. Alright, and here the phone number is saved in phone field, email address email field. So here first name, choose first name, and last name, simple as that. And here you can even add any tags for the imported contacts as well. For example, so let me add a tags test lead list right here. So this tag will be added to these contacts when it is imported. So if you want to create your own tags, you have to come to flows over here. In flows, choose tags, and here you can actually create your own tags as well. So before you import the contacts, you have to create those tags. So here I have chosen an existing tag on this particular account right here, and you can even set any sort of custom fields as well. For now I'm not going to do anything right here, and let me click on continue. So here we have a list of, I think we have 6 people, 6 lead list right here, and let's click on continue and see what happens. So it should actually import 6 contacts were imported. So let me click on continue once again and see what happens. So here you can see 6 contacts have been imported a few seconds ago. So let's see if you want to test how to subscribe them to a drip campaign. So you can actually do this manually for each of these contacts as well. For example, if you want to do manually, so let's say I want to subscribe them only test name to this particular drip campaign, you can click on it. So here click on this particular profile right here. It will open the inbox of text this particular name right here, and here you can subscribe them to a drip campaign. For example, we have to subscribe them. So here travel company demo is a drip campaign we have just created. So as soon as they subscribed, the first SMS will be sent immediately, because that's how we set up. So let me subscribe them to this particular drip campaign, and as you see, immediately travel trip, this particular drip campaign is sent to them. So if I share my mobile over here, so here I am sharing my mobile right here, and as you see, we already received the first travel tip message we set up right there, and as you see, we also received the second message as well. So likewise, it will send the third message in 1 minute over there. So this is how you actually import a particular contact right here and send any sort of drip campaigns as well. So that's how you manually subscribe a particular contact to a drip campaign through the inbox. So now I'm going to explain how to collect a particular customer's phone number through Messenger, Instagram, or any other channel, for example even through your website chat widget, and subscribe them to a drip campaign we just created. So you have to simply create a new flow right here. Let me name this one as travel company SMS marketing. So let me create a new flow named as travel company SMS marketing and click continue. So here So here we want to simply collect their phone number. So let me use get user data. So let me ask this question: what is your phone number to send you useful tips and tricks about your travel destinations? What is your phone number to send you useful tips and tricks about your travel destinations? And here you have to make sure it's a phone number and remove the skip button as well. So they have to actually provide the phone number to subscribe to their particular travel tips and tricks. So here once they subscribed or enter their phone number, you want to send them a message saying, thanks, you are now subscribed to our travels newsletter. So once they provide the phone number, thanks, you are now subscribed to our travels newsletter. Simple as that. So here you have to add an action over here, actions, and connect this action right here. And here you have to connect subscribe to drip campaign over here, and here you have to choose travel company demo. So once they enter the phone number, they will be sent a message, subscribe to the newsletter, and they will start receiving any sort of messages in the SMS as well. So let me click publish over here. So here you can actually use this particular flow in Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp, or even on your website chat widget as well. So let's see how to trigger this particular flow when someone actually comments on your Instagram post or reels. So for that you have to go to the auto marketing right here, and in the auto marketing choose Instagram comment automations. Click on it. So in the Instagram comment automation, let's create a new flow or new automation. So let me say as travel demo, and here you can track comments on all posts or specific post as well. So let me choose all posts. So that means if they comment on any of your post or reels a specific keyword, then we can actually trigger this particular private reply to flow. So that flow will be travel company SMS marketing right here, and public reply to the comment. So for whatever the comments they post on your Instagram reels or post, what sort of public comment replies you want to leave there. So here you can say send your DM sent, and you can actually create your own variations right here. And here you can actually reply to their comment only when they comment only a specific keyword. So let's add a comment as newsletter. So if they comment on your reels or post as a newsletter, then they will be triggered this automation, and they will be asked to provide their phone number to subscribe to the newsletter. Simple as that. And here you can actually customize these responses as well, and you can even delay the responses right here. So let's choose immediately and click save. And here you have to make sure to activate this particular flow right here as well, so it will be get triggered. So now I'm in Instagram, so I'm going to choose any post or reel right here and add a comment over here and see what happens. So the comment trigger word is newsletter. So newsletter. All right, so I just added a comment newsletter and see what happens. And as you see, we just received a message asking what's your phone number to send you useful tips and tricks about your travel destinations. So let me actually enter this particular phone number right here, 2435673. All right, so now it should send us a message, thanks, you are now subscribed to our travels newsletter. And by this time we have also received the first SMS as well. So here if we go here, and as you see here, we received this particular message, travel tip. So these three SMSs actually sent before as well, because I manually subscribed to this particular phone number. So now we received this message, the first message again, because I subscribed from the Instagram right here. So likewise, this can simply works on other channels as well. And that's how you can easily create an SMS marketing chatbot for your business, where you can actually send any sort of text message marketing campaigns to your customers. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.